Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Polybuzz and Character AI. Polybuzz is a fun and easy to use chatbot tool. You can create custom AI characters and chat with them in friendly, casual way. It's great for emotional or roleplay style conversations. The platform looks clean, works fast, and is simple to navigate. Some features are free, but extra responses or better quality may need a paid plan. Character AI is a more advanced and popular chatbot platform. You can talk to thousands of characters or make your own. The AI is smarter and tries to hold deeper, more thoughtful conversation. It's used for fun, storytelling, or support chats. It's free but can get busy during peak hours. So, Polybuzz is better for quick, emotional, and relaxed chats. Character AI is better for smarter, creative, and long conversations. Choose Polybuzz for casual fun or Character AI for deeper experiences. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.